In the world of video game development, game engines are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make the magic happen. They are the powerful software frameworks that empower developers to bring their creative visions to life, transforming ideas into interactive experiences. Just as a painter needs a canvas and brushes, game developers rely on game engines to build, render, and animate their digital worlds, creating immersive environments and dynamic characters. Choosing the right game engine is paramount to a successful game development journey, as it can significantly impact the final product. This decision can influence everything from the game's visual fidelity and performance to the development time and budget, making it a critical step in the process. A plethora of game engines cater to different needs and platforms, each offering unique features and capabilities. Some are renowned for their stunning graphics, pushing the boundaries of visual realism and detail, while others excel in two-dimensional game development or ease of use, making them accessible to beginners and experts alike. This essay delves into the exciting world of game engines, comparing and contrasting some of the most popular options available to aspiring and seasoned game developers alike, providing insights into their functionalities and best use cases. From industry giants like Unity and Unreal Engine, known for their robust toolsets and widespread adoption, to open-source contenders like Godot, which offer flexibility and community-driven development, and user-friendly options like GameMaker Studio 2, designed to simplify the game creation process, will explore the strengths and weaknesses of each engine, their ideal use cases, and the resources available to help you get started, ensuring you have the knowledge to choose the right tool for your project. Whether you're dreaming of creating the next blockbuster role-playing game or a simple mobile game, understanding the nuances of different game engines can empower you to make informed decisions and embark on your game development adventure with confidence, turning your creative ideas into reality.
Unity stands as a titan in the realm of game engines, renowned for its versatility and expansive community. It has become a cornerstone in the game development industry, offering a powerful platform for creating immersive experiences. Its widespread adoption across various platforms, including PC, mobile, console, and even virtual reality and augmented reality, has cemented its status as a go-to choice for developers worldwide. This flexibility allows developers to reach a broader audience, ensuring their games can be enjoyed on a multitude of devices. Unity's intuitive interface welcomes both beginners and seasoned professionals, offering a robust set of tools for crafting two-dimensional and three-dimensional games. The user-friendly design of the interface makes it easy to navigate, allowing developers to focus on creativity and innovation. One of Unity's key strengths lies in its cross-platform capabilities. This feature is particularly beneficial for developers looking to maximize their game's reach without having to rewrite code for each platform. Developers can write code once and deploy it across multiple platforms, significantly streamlining the development process and expanding the potential reach of their games. This not only saves time, but also reduces the complexity involved in managing multiple versions of the same game. Unity's asset store is a treasure trove of pre-made assets, scripts, and extensions, providing developers with a wealth of resources to accelerate development and enhance their projects. From character models to environmental textures, the asset store offers a wide variety of options to suit any game development need. Unity's visual scripting system allows developers to create game logic without writing traditional code, making it more accessible to visual thinkers and designers. This feature empowers those who may not have a strong programming background to still contribute significantly to the development process. The engine's robust documentation, coupled with a vast and active community, provides ample support and learning resources for developers of all skill levels. Tutorials, forums, and community-driven content ensure that help is always available, fostering a collaborative environment. Whether you're a solo indie developer or part of a larger studio, Unity's versatility and comprehensive ecosystem make it a compelling choice for a wide range of game development projects. Its ability to cater to different scales of development ensures that it remains a favorite among developers, regardless of the project's size or scope.
Unreal Engine, developed by Epic Games, has long been synonymous with high-fidelity graphics and immersive gaming experiences. This powerful game engine has set the standard for what players and developers expect in terms of visual quality and performance. Its ability to render breathtaking visuals and realistic physics has made it the engine of choice for countless AAA titles. Games like Gears of War and Final Fantasy VII Remake showcase the engine's unparalleled graphical capabilities. From the photorealistic environments of The Last of Us Part 2 to the fast-paced action of Fortnite, Unreal Engine has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in video games. The engine's versatility allows it to handle a wide range of art styles and gameplay mechanics. At the heart of Unreal Engine's graphical prowess lies its physically based rendering pipeline. This technology ensures that light behaves in a realistic manner, enhancing the immersion and believability of game worlds. This sophisticated system simulates the way light interacts with materials in the real world, resulting in incredibly lifelike visuals. Whether it's the glint of metal or the subtle texture of fabric, Unreal Engine captures it all with stunning accuracy. Unreal Engine's advanced physics engine enables developers to create dynamic and believable in-game interactions, from destructible environments to realistic character animations. This allows for more engaging and interactive gameplay experiences. While Unreal Engine's reputation for graphical fidelity is undeniable, its capabilities extend far beyond visuals. The engine's comprehensive suite of tools supports everything from AI behavior to networked multiplayer experiences. The engine's Blueprint visual scripting system provides a powerful node-based interface for creating game logic and interactions without writing traditional code. This makes game development more accessible to artists and designers who may not have a programming background. This accessibility, combined with its robust tools for cinematic storytelling and virtual production, has led to Unreal Engine's increasing adoption in industries beyond gaming, including film, architecture, and product design. Its real-time rendering capabilities are revolutionizing these fields, offering new possibilities for creativity and innovation.
Section 4, Godot, the Open-Source Contender. In a landscape dominated by commercial game engines, Godot has emerged as a compelling open-source alternative, garnering a dedicated following among indie developers and studios alike. Godot's open-source nature means that its source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute, fostering a collaborative and community-driven development environment. One of Godot's standout features is its innovative scene system. Unlike traditional hierarchical scene structures, Godot embraces a node-based approach, allowing developers to create complex and flexible game objects by combining and nesting smaller reusable nodes. This modular design philosophy promotes efficient workflows and code reusability. Godot's lightweight and efficient engine makes it an ideal choice for developing games across a wide range of platforms, from low-powered mobile devices to high-end PCs. Its intuitive interface, coupled with comprehensive documentation and a supportive community, ensures a smooth learning curve for both novice and experienced developers. Godot's commitment to open-source principles and its focus on providing a powerful yet accessible game development platform have positioned it as a force to be reckoned with in the ever-evolving world of game engines.
Section 5. CryEngine. A glimpse into reality. CryEngine, developed by Crytek, has carved a niche for itself as a game engine renowned for its exceptional realism and immersive environments. Its ability to render breathtaking natural landscapes and stunning visual effects has made it a favorite among developers crafting first-person shooters, open-world games, and simulations. CryEngine's reputation for realism stems from its advanced rendering techniques, including physically based shading, volumetric fog, and dynamic weather systems. These technologies work in concert to create incredibly immersive and believable game worlds. CryEngine's sandbox editor provides developers with a powerful suite of tools to sculpt terrain, paint textures, and populate their environments with life. While CryEngine's graphical prowess is undeniable, its steep learning curve and complex architecture have often been cited as barriers to entry for some developers, particularly newcomers. However, for those seeking to create visually stunning and immersive games, CryEngine's capabilities are hard to match. Its focus on realism and its powerful toolset make it a compelling choice for developers aiming to push the boundaries of visual fidelity in their projects.
Section 6. GameMaker Studio 2, Drag, Drop, and Create. GameMaker Studio 2 has become synonymous with accessibility and ease of use, empowering aspiring game developers to bring their ideas to life without the need for extensive programming knowledge. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and event-driven scripting system make it an ideal starting point for beginners while offering enough depth and flexibility to accommodate the needs of experienced developers. GameMaker Studio 2's visual scripting language, GML Visual, allows developers to create game logic by connecting visual blocks, eliminating the need to write traditional code. This visual approach to programming makes it easier for beginners to grasp fundamental game development concepts and quickly prototype their ideas. While GameMaker Studio 2 is often associated with 2D game development, its capabilities extend to creating 3D games as well. Its built-in physics engine, particle systems, and animation tools provide a solid foundation for crafting a wide range of games, from platformers and puzzle games to role-playing games and simulations. GameMaker Studio 2's active community and comprehensive documentation offer ample support and learning resources for developers of all skill levels.